What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2025 Nissan Versa started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no key detected. Place the key near the start switch. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to touch the top of it to the stop start button until I hear a beep. So you hear the beep, and then you'll notice the message on the dash changes to this. And now we can start the vehicle as normal. Brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle's started, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.